Hello, and welcome to the Mom Stuff Coffee Shop. I'm glad you're here. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom-made front door sign. And the wreath, I did not make. The wreath, we're going to start at Joann's Fabric. So here we are at Joann's Fabric and Home Goods. I just absolutely love Joann's Fabric and Home Goods, but they had a 60% off sale on all of their wreaths. Yes, they had an amazing summer sale. These wreaths were so beautiful. And there's mine. I think I bought this wreath for around $11. And next we're going to stop at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to grab a sign for $1. And these signs are summer door signs, summer inside signs, signs for your outdoors. And I'm just going to grab the 1-3 because you're going to see what I'm going to do with this sign. They also had the tiki bar sign. Both of these signs will do, but you'll see how we're going to create our own custom-made door sign. Okay guys, so I'm going to deconstruct this, take all the ribbon, all the staples out. And this is such a fun project to do with your children as well. My kids were at camp, so I did it myself. So I'm going to take a scrubber. I bought these scrubbers from Home Depot. We're going to scrub all, not the paint, but it was very, very shiny. And next we have our chalk paint. I just love to keep chalk paint around the house because I have an upcoming project that I'm going to redo a server. I just love to keep it for all my crafts. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to paint all these signs. I'm going to go back and forth in a sweeping motion. You could do it however you like, but I like a back and forth motion because what I'm going to do is I'm going to also distress these pieces. And this is a fun way to know exactly how to distress wood. Because my upcoming project, I'm also going to distress it a little. So now I have black paint, acrylic paint from the dollar store, along with a toothbrush at the dollar store. And these toothbrushes come in 5 per pack. So I'm going to go in with my black paint. And I'm going to add a lot of black. But you'll see, as you saw in the intro, I didn't leave it black. This is just for de-stressing. And I know this video is kind of fast, but I did let this dry a little bit. And I went in with my white paint on the top. There's my daughter coming in to observe. I don't have a craft room yet. A lot of my crafts are done in my kitchen, so you will see my children in and out helping me with this project. And by the time I did all this, they were home, and so they're going to come in and help me a little bit. But it's just a back and forth motion. And here's my daughter helping me in between drying time. So I did let this dry, and I'm going to instruct her to keep doing the back and forth motion on the yard signs. So next I'm going to show you a quick way to preserve your paint. This is a shower cap, and I'm just going to pop a hole on the top for the brush so your paint won't dry out in case you're doing another craft that day. So here we are. We're going to keep painting and painting and painting. And there's my burlap. Voila, and we are finished. So this is the next day. We let them dry. And I'm going to take all these stickers came from Dollar Tree. The silver, the black, the brown, and also the flower stickers. So I'm going to be a little creative on how I want my signs, but first I'm going to drill some holes in these signs. My husband always has handy his tools, so here I am with a tiny drill. I'm going to drill these holes directly down into my wood. Now, when you drill your wood, make sure they're going the exact way that you're going to have them. And that's how I had them, back and forth. I'm going to take my cactus stickers, farmhouse inspired stickers at the Dollar Tree that I found, and you can do this any way you like. I wanted the sweet to stand out in Home Sweet Home, so I bought the silver. And if you remember my candy bar video, you could go back and watch that. These are the same stickers that I found at Michael's for my candy bar. And these brown stickers I also found at the Dollar Tree. But I have to admit, I did go to another Dollar Tree that was far from my home because all of the Dollar Trees do not have those stickers. And that little knot on the end, that's like a wood knot, and I absolutely love that because it gives the sign some texture and some originality. So I'm just going to pop these stickers on. And after you see me pop these stickers on and place them where I want them to go, you're going to see me use some Mod Podge. Mod Podge is a product that you can put over your stickers, over letters, over things to make them hold better and not come up. A lot of times if you would just leave a sign like this, it would unravel, the ends would come up, but the Mod Podge makes it very secure. Next, I'm going to put these butterflies that I found from Dollar Tree. Now, they did have a little sticky on the back, but as you will see, I'm going to add some hot glue to stick it. Next, I'm going to turn these signs over. You do not want these signs to move, so I'm going to use some duct tape. You could put one long piece of duct tape, but I wanted mine to kind of flow in the wind, so they can have a little bit of movement, but you can reinforce them any way you like. Next, I keep my twine handy. I just love my twine. I use this twine for so many DIYs around the house. And be sure you take the first piece all the way across. And you're going to go back and forth, in and out with your twine. And make sure you're placing it so the signs can be very secure. So what I did, I tied it, and I tied another loop so I can attach the loop to my wreath. So I'm going to put these down with hot glue. And the thing that I love about these signs is that they're only $1, and the whole sign was probably $3 minus the paint, maybe $4 with the Mod Podge. But if you keep your paint handy, you'll be able to use it over and over and over again. And here's the Mod Podge. And at first, I have to admit, I was scared to put this on here because I always see people use Mod Podge. I've gone to classes, crafting, where people use Mod Podge, and I always thought that it would leave a white casting over anything that you put, but guess what? It doesn't. And I layered this with Mod Podge about 2 or 3 times to really secure those stickers. And voila, here is the home sign. Now, what I love about this home sign, you could place it anywhere, in your bathroom, at your front door, on your wall. This home sign is so beautiful. And of course, in your entryway for your home. And this has been a Home Sweet Home DIY If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you for stopping by the Mom Stuff Coffee Shop. See you next time.